Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to like status on WhatsApp, and that's pretty easy. So before start the process, you just need to go to your Play Store and check if there are any update available for WhatsApp. So I'm going to my Play Store. So in here you can see they are not showing any update here because I have already updated the latest version of WhatsApp. So if you see any update on here, you just need to update the version, and after update the version, just go to your WhatsApp, tap on that updates option, and in here you will find out all of your people's stories they have shared, and tap on anyone's stories that you're gonna to be seen, and in the right corner you will see a heart shape button. You just need to tap on here, and this means you have liked their status, or this person will receive a message something like this: you like their status, and that's it. If this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more videos, and keep in touch with us.